Hi guys, I'm Dylan. Today we're going to practically use the app called Matific. It's a really cool app. It's really good for your education. Today let's do one that talks about addition. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 35 plus 52 equals 87. Yay! 11 plus 11 equals 22. We all know that one. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 31 plus 20 equals 51. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 14 plus 32 equals 46. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 12 plus 35 equals 47. Shouldn't say that quick, really. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 28 plus 50 equals 78. Yay! We got 5 stars for that one. We got 104 points. I highly recommend your school or you to get this app and do this because it has some really cool stuff. It has cards in it. Look, I got a lightning card. And you sometimes get extra cards. And I got 106 points on that one. And you need to reach 1,000 points to get 2 cards. No, wait. 1 card, yeah. And when you fill a chest up, you get 2 cards. And you get about 100 to 112 points for completing each task 5 out of 5 perfectly. You get a really high score, and then you also get good points. Boy, that's the end of another really good Matific video, and I really hope you enjoyed this video.